here, and I'm going to talk bad about your product for a second. Sorry. So when you brought me AutoGenie, you said to try it at our store in October of last year, I would not make it live until December for my service customers. I could have just put it on there. It could mess with my X time perfectly. It took 3 days to integrate it. I mean, it was nothing more than a token. It knew my catalog. It knew my capacity. It knew what type of service features it took right away, right? But for the next 3 months, I wanted to break it. I wanted to call it every day and break it. I wanted to go online. I wanted to do the push to talk. I wanted to see would it pick up the background noise. And the first time I went to it, I did break it because it said to me, hey, I don't find you in my database. And I said, oh, that's a shitty experience I just gave my customer. I needed to say that I can find it. I needed to sync with my XM. I needed to identify that they know my customer calling in and ask them questions. And if it doesn't know the answer, then give it to my service manager, give it to my service writer, give it to my BDC. I need a human involved. But I didn't do it 24/7. I said I need a hybrid role. I'm not going all in at AI. I'm not going in all at people. I need to take a combination of the two and create a superpower to where I can capture as many leads as I can and not keep a customer on hold for 7 minutes. I mean, the simple fact of the matter is I had 1,700 calls for my group every night that I missed the call for. And I went in and said, how many of those people get called back? And who's calling them back? Only 10% of those people ever got a call back. 20% of them left a message. Only 5% of those people left a message. Did our service writers and our BDC ever call back the next day?
That's a perfect point for fixed ops, right?